a video on Char Dham Yatra. There are many travel agencies and many tourist vehicles conduct this Char Dham Yatra is covering Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath. And in this tour, we booked Southern Travels from Delhi. So we too had started our journey to Uttarkashi, Yamunotri, Gangotri, Haridwar, Rishikesh, Badrinath, Peoplecot, Kedarnath, Rampur. And before we start our pilgrimage, we had nice dinner as well in the Southern Travels Hotel, and then we did the prayers to the travels bus and took photo of the group. Many people from south, north, east, west, all devotees, they came there. Day one is going on. Before our bus moving towards highways, the bus went one round inside the Delhi metro's area where we could see some nice scene of the Delhi in the night. Once the bus started moving outside the Delhi area, we slept. The sitting arrangement was 2 rows from the last seats, and we had nice view from the windows. We thank God. Day 2 is Haridwar to Rishikesh. Rishikesh is located in the foothills of the Himalayas. We can find in Skanda Purana, it says that the Rishikesh was a part of Kedarkhand, where Rama did the penance before killing Ravana. And Lakshmana, his younger brother, crossed the river Ganges at the point where the present Lakshman Jhula bridge stands today. Secondly, Lakshmana has crossed this river using 2 jute ropes at the point where the present Lakshman Jhula. The sacred river Ganges flows through Rishikesh and leaves the Shivalik mountains in the Himalayas, flowing out into the plains of northern India. Several temples, ancient with new, are found along the banks of Ganga in Rishikesh. Many temples are there, we have seen. At Bharat Mandir, you can take a darshan of Lord Narayan, but feet are covered all the days except Akshaya Tritiya. And also visited Shivananda Ashram. Ram Jhula, Lakshman Jhula. Swarga Ashram. च मे श्रेयश्च मे वश्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे सौम्यश्च मे ज्ञातं च मे सुप्तोश्च मे प्रसूश्च मे क्षीरं च मे भयश्च मे मरुतं च मे कृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयश्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे नमित्तं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे शोषा च मे सुदिनं च मे. We had lunch, and also after lunch we did some shopping of Khadi Gramodyog. We call it Khadi clothes and shirts at Garhwal shops. After shopping, we started moving to Barkot. So from there, from Rishikesh to Barkot, on the way to Barkot, we could see some rafting boats as well. Just you have seen the rafting blue color one. Many colors. Now, some sporting people go for rafting in the heavy flow of river Ganges. The historical records mention that many pilgrims used to stay at Rishikesh as a resting place before they move out towards the higher mountains for the pilgrimage centers. For example, now what we are doing, now we are getting down to the Rishikesh first, then we go to Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, all. That's the way. Okay. Later at Barkot, we check into hotel overnight stay. So there the food is so class. Now the day 3, Barkot to Yamunotri. So around 5th of June, day 3 journey, pilgrimage to Yamunotri. So regarding Yamunotri, I just want to explain here. This is a pilgrim center. Yamunotri is the origin of Yamuna river and the holy seat of the goddess Yamuna. The Yamuna is the daughter of sun god. Yama and Yamuna both are brother and sister, and mother is Sanya. And also there is a story comes like his second wife is Chaya, who gave the birth to Shani Dev. There is one festival we all Hindus celebrate. I believe there is one story. This is actually Yamaraj visiting his sister's house on the day they call as Dvitiya. They call Yama Dvitiya day. And on that day, Yamaraj visited Yamuna's house, and sister Yamuna welcomed with Arati and all Tilak, and she then offered him a garland. That's the story. That's how, based on this incident happened, and we all are following the same during the Bhai Dooj. I believe most of the pilgrims during their Char Dham Yatra stay at Barkot, and on way to Yamunotri we can see Hanuman Chatti, Janki Chatti, and then reaching Yamunotri. Yamunotri is the westernmost shrine in the Garhwal Himalayas, perched atop a flank of Bandar Poonch Parvat. They call Bandar Poonch Parvat. I also heard somewhere that Goddess Yamuna, during the marriage, she asked father that in dowry you don't give me anything, give me 2 rays emitting from you. 2 rays should fall on the Yamuna, the hills, the Garhwal hills, near the temple, so that all the devotees, those who comes there in the cold, so that they can feel of the heat of the water. Those hot water they can use for bathing, because she know that in the cold the human may not take the bath. So that was the arrangement done by Goddess Yamuna. It is so beautiful. That's why you can find cold as well as hot, both holy water on the same temple area. Attraction at Yamunotri is the temple devoted to the goddess Yamuna. Many devotees walking on the hill, and you see here old lady is walking so slowly, but she has a devotion to reach on top of Yamunotri temple. And many youngsters also, because they have a devotion of climbing the hills. And you can see here many people are on the horse, and actually, to be frank, walking is easier. By walk going top is easier than sitting on the horse, because you can see now sometime it may fall down, sometimes the slippery. You see, just now it happened here. One leg, I was there actually, and we're lucky I did not fall down, but it was slippery, and the horse came on me automatically, so I jumped down. Okay. From far away we can see the way, temple way, and here the water for drinking also arrangement. There is arrangement of water, and here
का सिस्टर
नहीं देख लिया आपको
मेरे सिस्टर आपने ले लिया मेरा
Okay, one more thing is only one way, one pathway go down and go up, so it's a bit difficult managing both ways going up and down the same path. So there will be many difficulties, but people are, I mean, devotees are going slowly, want to reach on top to see Goddess Yamuna. Okay, one more thing is only one way, one pathway go down and go up, so it's a bit difficult managing both ways going up and down the same path. So there will be many difficulties, but people are, I mean, devotees are going slowly, want to reach on top to see Goddess Yamuna. You can see here many people comes from different parts of the world, even foreign countries, and here here the people earning on the horses according to, I mean, if they have less horse they have less earning, if they have more horse means they are earning more, and only few months they can earn because other seasons here the snowfall will start, so it's very difficult, living is very difficult there. Sometimes devotees helps themselves, if anybody don't have water then they will give them, and in the middle of the route they have water pots as well, redistribution of water. From far away we can see the temple, temple way. This is Yamuna Ugamasthan. The water come all the way from top of the mountain, and the same is very hot, and people can bathe in the kunda, Snana Kunda. Actually, Goddess Yamuna is given the status of a holy river and is given the responsibility of washing away the sin of those who bathe in her or partake of her waters. She is also given the responsibility of generating a spark of good thought in all the devotees who touch the holy water, the Yamuna water, when Goddess Yamuna waters. Thank you. The temple of Yamuna on the left bank of the Yamuna was constructed by Maharaja Pratap Shah of Tehri Garhwal. It is made of black marble. Yamunotri river flowing, so beautiful sound. Yamunotri river flowing, so beautiful sound, and you could see that all the devotees, some devotees taking bath, some devotees are filling the bottles of the holy water to take to their homes. So on hills there is a hot, here you can take a hot bath. One side you can cook very just the prasad. I mean you take a raw rice and tie into one small cloth and just dip and just remove out within a second, or maybe 5 seconds. It will be ready to eat like that, prasadam. Okay, then after that we returned to Barkot, overnight stay. It was a beautiful journey to Yamunotri.